Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can make exclusions in shipping on your eBay account. So I will be talking about or showing you two different ways, one for individual listings and the other for the whole account. So it's easier if you know that you cannot ship to certain countries all of your items. Let's say that the shipping company, it's very expensive, they might not want to ship, or if you're doing drop shipping, the supplier might not want to ship to certain countries and so on. So the first thing I will be showing is how to do it on individual listings. So here you can see I have gone to revising one of my listings, and what you have to do is you scroll down to the shipping section of the listing. So here you can see domestic shipping, international shipping, and then there is this area which says exclude shipping locations. If you hover your mouse here and press that, exclude specific locations, regions, countries, PO boxes that you don't want to ship to. To save time and less faster, go to my site preferences and select specific locations you want on all of your listings. So I will show that in just a minute, but you press here create exclusion list, and you can see that there is domestic, so US areas, international, and PO box. So here in the international you can press show all countries. Let's say I don't want to ship to Germany, and I press save and close, and this will this region will be excluded, and this will apply just to this one listing. And you can always go back and create or edit the excluded location. The other way how to do it is to do for the whole account, not for individual listings. So what you have to do is, as it said here, you can go to site preferences. So let's go to selling account, and then here I went to this page by going to my eBay and selling, and go to account, site preferences. Then scroll down to shipping preferences, and it says here that these preferences have been moved to shipping preferences. Press that, and here you can see exclude shipping locations. This will open up to the same pop-up as it was previously. So you can see the different regions, domestic, so US market, additional locations, and then select the things that you want to select, where you want to exclude shipping. Also, you can see that you can tick this box, also apply to current listings. So this means that you will be editing them in bulk, so you don't have to do this individual one by one of your listings. So it's easier if you have multiple listings, and the same exclusions will apply to all of them. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next tutorial.